What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you a simple trick that will allow you to purchase fertilizer for pennies on the dollar. Fertilizer can be very expensive, especially if you have a very large garden or a lot of trees to fertilize. However, did you know that big box stores such as Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, and others often put their fertilizers on deep discount clearance sales during late fall and early winter? Check this out. This time of year, big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's have crazy markdowns on their fertilizer. Looks like I missed out on all of this blood meal for barely $1 a bag, unfortunately, but they still have lots and lots of organic slow release fertilizer granules marked down to $4. They have their soluble organic fertilizers marked down to $2. All kinds of great deals. So search out these yellow tags. You can get amazing, incredible deals this time of year. Here are 4-pound bags of bone meal marked down to $2.20, so you can't really beat this for organic bone meal, normally $9 a bag. So all in all, this stuff is marked down 70–80%. You can get this stuff for pennies on the dollar, so it's a good idea this time of year to hit as many of these big box stores as possible, especially if you have multiple Home Depots and Lowe's in your area. So just because one is out of stock doesn't mean that the other one is, so check them all out. So there you go, I got all of that fertilizer for $25 before tax. And you can see everything that I have in my trunk right here. 4 bags of bone meal, 2 containers worth of the organic granules, and then 3 containers of the soluble fertilizer. So that will last me many months for my purposes for 25 bucks. The timing of these deep discount fertilizer clearance sales seems to be fairly sporadic. I've seen them as early as late September and as late as early January. Once late September starts rolling in, I routinely check out my Home Depot and Lowe's, usually every other weekend or so, and I walk by their fertilizer section and I wait for the deep discount clearance markdowns. Here you can see a blend of the different fertilizers that I just picked up right now, which you can see here, here, and here. And all of these old brown bags that you see right here and blood meal are actually left over from last year's deep discount clearance sale that I picked up. On this bottom shelf alone, I have literally hundreds of pounds of fertilizer, and I kid you not, the total cost that I spent for this entire bottom shelf down here is probably less than $70 over the 2 seasons. And this is enough fertilizer for me for years for my entire yard and garden. So be sure to check out your local big box stores in late fall and early winter for deep clearance discounts on fertilizer. You can seriously save 70, 80, even 90% off the regular price of fertilizer. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.